Tammy Slaton has always been a lightning rod for intense drama, but her latest concern involving her sister Amy is leaving fans in utter disbelief. In a shocking twist that sounds straight out of a horror movie, Tammy now believes that something unholy might be affecting Amy Slaton's behavior. The bond between the two sisters has been tested time and time again, through health scares, breakups, grief, and family chaos, but this time the concern isn't about diet plans or dating. It's something far deeper, darker, and more unnerving. It's about what Tammy claims she's seen with her own eyes, a transformation in Amy that doesn't feel human. Fans who followed the TLC series since its inception know how close Amy and Tammy have always been, despite their fiery arguments and complicated history. But lately, as filming resumes on a new season, rumors have exploded behind the scenes that Tammy believes Amy is no longer herself. According to insiders close to the production, Tammy began expressing fears after witnessing a string of odd behaviors in Amy, which she reportedly described as creep. Why? And like someone else was inside her. The situation escalated during a recent overnight shoot when, according to eyewitnesses, Amy reportedly began talking in a low voice while staring blankly at a corner of the room for several minutes. Crew members initially thought it was a joke or sleepwalking. But Tammy didn't think it was funny. She looked at me and it wasn't Amy, Tammy allegedly told a producer later that evening, her voice trembling. It was like she didn't recognize me. Like someone else had taken over her body. I've never been so scared in my life. In the days that followed, Tammy reportedly became withdrawn, refusing to film and demanding a break from shooting. When asked what had triggered her panic, she allegedly said, "My sister ain't right. I don't know what's wrong with her, but it ain't normal. It's like she's possessed." That shocking statement has since gone viral online, sparking intense speculation from fans, paranormal enthusiasts, and even spiritual influencers. Online forums are ablaze with theories, from demonic possession to mental breakdowns, to a possible elaborate TLC storyline. But those close to the sisters say this is no TV stunt. According to family friend Ruth Hanna, who has known both Amy and Tammy since childhood, Tammy's not making this up. She knows Amy better than anyone. If she says something's wrong, then something's wrong. I don't know if it's spiritual or medical, but Amy hasn't been herself lately. She's distant, distracted, and sometimes says weird things. Adding more fuel to the fire, a chilling clip recently surfaced from an unreleased behind-the-scenes moment. In the clip, Amy is seen sitting alone in a rocking chair, gently swaying back and forth, whispering to herself in what appears to be an unknown language. The clip was leaked on a fan page before being taken down, but not before thousands of viewers shared it and began dissecting the audio. One TikTok user, who claims to be a former pastor, posted a breakdown of the audio, asserting that the whispering resembles ancient phrases used in rituals. "I'm not saying she's possessed," the creator says, "but whatever is happening here feels spiritual. And not in a good way." Meanwhile, Amy has yet to comment publicly on the growing rumors. On her social media, she's posted a handful of selfies and vague captions like, "I'm fine," and "everything isn't what it seems." Fans, however, are far from reassured. We've watched Amy struggle through so much: abusive relationships, postpartum depression, family loss. If she's really suffering in a deeper way now, we want answers, one user posted. Tammy, for her part, hasn't posted any direct comment about the incident since the leak, but her recent posts seem heavy and emotional. One of them, shared late at night, simply read, "I miss the old Amy." That short sentence was enough to break fans' hearts and spark even more questions. What happened to Amy Slaton? Is this a mental health crisis, a spiritual struggle, or something else altogether? Mental health professionals following the show have chimed in, suggesting that grief and stress might be playing a significant role. After all, Amy recently went through a very public separation from her husband Michael, and has been navigating single motherhood with 2 toddlers. The pressure, on top of filming in constant public attention, could trigger dissociation or emotional detachment. But Tammy's fear doesn't seem rooted in medical theories. She has reportedly contacted a spiritual advisor, someone close to their Kentucky roots, to perform a house cleansing. According to neighbors, a woman believed to be a healer or medium was seen visiting Amy's home late at night last week. No official confirmation has been made, but Tammy has always been outspoken about her belief in spiritual forces. For longtime fans of 1000 LB Sisters, this chapter feels like the most chilling yet. The show has covered everything from near-death health emergencies to rehab, toxic relationships, ILY blow-ups, and even funerals. But the idea of spiritual warfare entering the storyline is something no one could have predicted. And yet, it's the raw vulnerability of the sisters that keeps fans glued to every development. Tammy and Amy's relationship is far from perfect, but it's always been real. And now, with Tammy fearing something supernatural has taken hold of Amy, viewers are both captivated and concerned. Reddit threads have exploded with theories, ranging from trauma-induced possession to undiagnosed dissociative identity disorder. Some believe Amy may be experiencing a psychological break, triggered by emotional overload and grief. Others believe Tammy, while earnest, may be misinterpreting signs of mental illness as something more paranormal, given her personal beliefs in the environment they were in. One fan wrote, "It could be schizophrenia or depression. But if Tammy truly believes it's something darker, she might take drastic steps, and that worries me." In an already heavy season filled with physical transformation, addiction recovery, and emotional loss, this new twist adds a whole layer of depth to the series. Producers have not commented on whether these moments will appear in the upcoming season, but leaks suggest they are being reviewed carefully due to sensitivity concerns. The network is reportedly considering bringing in an on-camera therapist or spiritual advisor for context if the storyline proceeds. As of now, Amy remains silent, Tammy remains worried, and fans remain glued to every post, hoping for clarity, or at least reassurance that both sisters are safe. One thing is certain, no matter how surreal things may seem, the bond between Tammy and Amy continues to drive the emotional heartbeat of the show. Whether the struggle is spiritual, psychological, or both, fans are rallying behind both sisters, sending love, prayers, and support from all corners of the internet. And as the mystery deepens, so does the hope that truth, whatever it is, will soon be revealed. Because in the world of 1000 LB Sisters, nothing is ever simple, and everything is real. Even when it feels like it's not of this world. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.